Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm Net, a self-taught baker, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some Ooey Gooey Butter Cake. So easy to make, and I know you guys will enjoy it. So if you enjoy making quick and easy recipes, please hit a like down below. Also, if you haven't already subscribed, consider doing so. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first thing we're going to do is start by using 1 box of yellow cake mix. It could be whatever brand you would like. Next thing we're going to do is add 1 egg. We're going to add 6 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter. And we're just going to mix together the ingredients just until a dough forms. Now we're just going to lay our dough out, and this is just going to be the bottom base of our cake. And we're just going to press this down in the pan until the bottom is covered. And if you are new here, welcome to my channel. I'm Net, and over here I like to make quick and easy recipes and desserts I grew up eating. Subscribe to my channel as I post a recipe every week, and don't forget to hit the post notification bell so you don't miss out when I post. Now we're going to start with our top half of our cake by adding 1/8 ounce of cream cheese. Now we're going to be adding 2 eggs. And next we'll be adding 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Now we're just going to set our mixer on medium and let our ingredients mix well. And we're going to slowly dump 3½ cups of powdered sugar into our mixture. Now we're just going to let this mix until it gets nice and smooth. So now we're just going to top our cake crust with our batter, and we're just going to top it nice and even. Now we're just going to put this in the oven on 350 for about 40 minutes. And when it's done, it should look something like this. Y'all, for this to be my first time making, these came out better than I thought. I'm telling you, if you got you a box of cake mix in there with some butter and some eggs, you can make this too. Now I'm just gonna take a cut out of this just so you guys can see the ooey gooey layer. Ooh, and look at that. It came out so good, guys. I hope you guys try this. And if you do, please tag me and let me know that you guys try it and how you guys like it. So now I'm just gonna top it off with some vanilla ice cream as well as some caramel. And we can't forget the powdered sugar. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video. Please like and subscribe for more content. And until the next video, you guys stay safe out there and peace.